Right now, Florida is a great place to live, and opening a business is even a great idea too. I'm Cindy. I'm with Three's Company 2, and I'm going to teach you a couple little tricks about opening a business, a cleaning business in Florida. Well, one of the things you want to do is figure out what kind of cleaning business you want to have. If you want it to be commercial or residential, if you want it to be a carpet cleaning business. Pick your area first. You might want to check out, what kind of competition you've got out there, what kind of rates they're charging, and figure out exactly where your niche will be. Then one of the things you want to do is you want to check with your local city, local town to find out what kind of cost it's going to be for either a business license or insurance. Those are things you have to check into to make sure that your business is all above board. Then, of course, you got to go to the advertising portion. There's lots of ways to advertise. There's word of mouth. There's putting your flyers or your brochures out, going door to door with if you're going like to a business type of open cleaning business, you would go from business to business, give out your brochure, give out a business card. There's also the internet is a great way to advertise, put in a classified ad in your local newspaper. There's lots of ways to get your name out there so people know that you're starting a business, that you're doing this cleaning business. Basically, you want to be reliable, you want to be good at what you're doing, and you want to keep the businesses that you're cleaning clean so that everybody knows that you're the person to go to have a clean place. So, I'm Cindy. This was how to start your own business, your own cleaning business in Florida, and hopefully you'll have a very good time starting a new business.